PEMA APS 750 welding positioner. Sold. A function test, and then the machine will be cleaned. All this run from one pendant control, also foot control. Very nice machine, solidly built. Also have the pendant control with the digital display, the speeds, and obviously the foot control. This machine will now be cleaned and then packed and shipped overseas. Thank you for watching. More position is available for viewing on Westermans.com. Machines are sold to order only and service to order. If required, we can also supply chucks, various different diameters, quick release or standard, 3 and 4 jaw. Thank you for watching.